Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Look What I Found by Deborah Schecter. Look what I found a stick. Look what I found a stick. I found a stone. I found a stone. I found an acorn. I found an acorn. I found a pine cone. I found a pine cone. I found a leaf. I found a leaf. I found a feather. I found a feather. I found 6 things altogether. I found 6 things altogether.